Welcome back to Miss Teacher Tube with Janice Leong. On today's episode, we're going to be looking more at subtraction. Today we're going to examine subtraction in 3 different ways. We're going to look at subtracting using base 10 materials. We're then going to draw our base 10 materials using lines for tens and dots for ones. And then we're going to put our double-digit subtraction equations into tens and ones charts to help us subtract. Enjoy today's episode. We'll see you soon. Welcome back. So we're going to be looking at some base 10 materials for subtraction. Now it is very important that when students are subtracting, they're subtracting from right to left and not starting in the tens. So with base 10 materials, we build the larger number that we're going to be subtracting from first. We don't build the second number. That's the amount we're going to be taking away. So for this example, 68 is the number, that's the larger number, and we're going to be taking 53 away from it. So we're going to start off with our ones. We're going to take 3 ones away. 2, 1 more is 3, and we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 68, we still have to take 5 tens away. We've taken the 3 ones away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're left with 1 10 and 5 ones. So our answer is 15. Okay, let's take a look at another problem using base 10 materials. So for this one, it's 74, take away 33. And of course, we're going to start out with the ones. So we're going to take 3 ones away, which gives us 1 1 left. Now we have to take 3 tens away, which gives us 4 tens left. And that's it. 74 take away 33 is 41. Welcome back. For this demonstration, I'm going to show you what it's like to draw the base 10 material to help with the subtraction. And again, this technique is going to come in handy when we do regrouping on the next episode of Miss Teacher Tube. So for this one, we're going to start by drawing the larger number. So 67 has 6 tens. We're going to draw lines for tens, dots for ones. So 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to take away 25. We're going to start by taking away the ones first. So we're going to take 5 ones away. There's 5 that we're taking away. And we're going to take 2 tens away. So these are the 2 tens that we're taking away. We're left with 1, 2, 3, 4 tens and 2 ones. So 2 ones, 4 tens. Our answer is 42. I've got some work coming up on the next slides for you boys and girls. Please take your time, draw out the problems to find the answers, and you can check your answers on the following slide. See you soon. Welcome back. Now we're working with numeric representation. We're no longer drawing, we're just working with the numbers, and I've put them in tens and ones charts just to make the math a little easier and to make it very obvious what the tens are and what the ones are. So with this one, I really want to stress to students, subtract the ones first. Always start on the ones, otherwise it's really going to mess you up if you get to regrouping and you don't have that skill thoroughly practiced. So 9 take away 7. Now some students have problems with that single digit subtraction still at this point in grade 2. So I would stress count from the smaller number up to the larger number. You're basically turning, it's a mental math strategy to turn your subtraction into an addition to make it a little easier. So for students that are struggling, I would say start at 7, count to 9. So 7, 8, 9. The difference is 2. Start at 2, count up to 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 7 is your answer. Total answer is 72. This one, students would start at the 4 and count up to the 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 is your answer. Start at the 2, count up to 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 is your answer. When you get down to here, sometimes students are a little confused when all of a sudden there's no 1s left. Don't worry, 0 is a placeholder. So 3 take away 3 is nothing. So let's give it a 0. 3 take away 2 is 1. Our total answer is 10. For this one, 1 take away 0 is 1. 9 take away 9 is nothing. And if it's nothing, we don't need to put a 0 if it's at the front of the number. If there's nothing in a square, it means nothing, whether we have a 0 or not. The only time we have to use that 0 is for a placeholder, because that 0 forces this 1 to be pushed into the tens place value, and therefore the 1 is worth 110. That's all for now. I've got some work coming up for you. Please take your time and do the problems, and again, the answers will follow on the slides right afterwards. Have fun with it. Well, we've come to another end of a Miss Teacher Tube episode. I'm glad you've had fun today practicing your 10s and 1s with subtraction. I'm hoping you remember these skills because they're going to come in really handy on the next episode when we look at regrouping. Bye for now.